Okay, so it's been a while. When I last left you, I was working on a new workbench for my shop that also holds my miter saw. If you missed it, check out the link above. It's almost 100% made out of MDF and 2x4s. So here is the rest of the build. Enjoy. I want this bench to be easy to disassemble if I ever move shops, because it is quite a large bench, so I use glue sparingly, but I am using some here. I took my focus away from working on the bench for a little while, not necessarily for a great reason, but to get my TV back up on the wall, which actually might be a decent reason. Anyways, I wanted my new tool wall to have a beadboard look, so I'm using this MDF to achieve it. It seems like I built a ton of drawers for my workshop. Many of them are just super messy right now that I have to work on. Most of them I built the same way, pocket screws and glue. These ones will be built the same, but will have a different use. All my cordless tools will end up in these drawers, including my drills and drivers. So to make them easy to access, I want them on the perfect angle to get to. Just a small roundover bit in my cordless router eases the edges of this plywood. Drawer fronts can be kind of a pain to add on. These ones, not so much. I'm using my bar clamps to secure the fronts and then using the card spacer trick to get the right reveal around the edges. One of these drawers will be exclusively for my chargers. So once I get over some initial kinks, I'll get the power bar secured into the drawer. And here's a finishing touch, just some poplar to cover up the MDF edges, and then a nice chamfer.